We meant to go there. We did say we were going to miss that. Oh! Right guys, we are back with the XRT. We hadn't had much running on this. We put some of the Vitavon parts on it, which you'll have seen in the other videos if you watched them. And all I can muster up at the moment is the trusty Sledge. Will it get hammered? I'm sure it'll get driven over many, many times, but let's see. You ready?
I am ready.
How many times can I get run over?
I only ran the max over once. What are you saying?
Got me off the line.
It wasn't in front. I'm like, you ain't coming over me. He's just going to ram me inside.
Sound on mine.
That was nice.
We both backed it in there nicely.
I did. Oh, it's dusty. First time I've seen the dust this year.
Driving it hard.
He's going though. He's going.
What's going to break on mine?
Can't keep up.
We have made it quite a tight line down the bottom there.
I like the bumpy bit though. I'm good round there.
Oh, I like this corner here. Just a little flick in. Didn't seem to go through those cones.
Oh, come back.
Yeah, that felt a bit close.
No, nowhere near.
Here we go. Just take it easy now.
Last lap.
Just a bit of showboat.
Oh, that was a nice flick.
Jump over here.
Nice flick, but I can see the Sledge is going to win all these races. Oh, that was good.
We have got some noises. I reckon the Spurge's on its way out.
It's driving lovely. It's just too big to be fast.
And the track's a bit tight for it.
Yeah, that's the truth.
To be fair.
The bigger and bumpier the track, the more I might win. This has got all these hairpins, so I just can't
What a
hook it round.
shame.
What?
What a shame.
Yeah, nice.
It is.
I upset the course up, but it drives lovely though.
Okay.
I'm tempted to give you a go, but then you might make a wheel fall off.
Exactly, probably. Well, first corner, we could go round the outside of those first two.
Yeah, right.
Do that. Oh, look at it wheeling. Get a bit nervous how big it is. We meant to go there. We did say we were going to miss that. Oh!
Whoa! It's the bump that caught you out.
That's the X-Max bump that caught me out, yes.
Wow. Just flicked it.
It doesn't look like there's a big bump, but there is.
Well, if it can toss an XRT upside down,
exactly.
It must be.
Come on then. There you go.
Oh, trying to scare him.
Yeah, I can see it. I get nervous when there's that big thing behind me. Right. We're going right round the outside of this first corner. Right round the outside. Here we go. It's broken!
It's broken! I'll tell you what, I'll just drive over you for effect. There you go. Stop, stop, stop. We knew it was going to break, but what is wrong?
The week I've had with RC, it does not surprise me.
We are thinking spur
It's
gear.
pinion and spur.
Oh, yeah, the motor has moved.
The
pinion, no, the pinion has moved off. That's all it is. We can fix that.
Yeah, there we go.
You sure about that?
Yeah!
Like he gets, yes. Shove on with your
See
finger.
how long that lasts. It won't last very long.
I've got tools.
See what happens. Who needs tools? Will
Shove
it finish
it back
the lap?
on with your fingers.
Go on.
Oh,
I'm not going to bully him out of the way.
Yeah, I don't suppose you could make an X-Max brake that tight without flipping it over. So, oh, look at the centre of gravity. Inside line, sitting on the apex.
Oh, we've got a nice wheelie. Last lap. Right, come on, last lap. Oh, on the front wheels. Come on. Oh, he's gone wide. Oh, we can't capitalise on it.
Oh, understand.
Oh, we got the... Oh, no, I had to accelerate there. I was getting very nervous.
Oh, wow, that's disappointing. I thought I had a win coming down. I was brewing up a win. But I lost it on the hairpin.
And that's with my dodgy put on with a finger pinion.
Yeah.
Right, I'm on the dirt, you're on the grass. You'll wheelie, I'll wheel spin.
Yeah. Yep.
Nailed it off the line. I've gone so wide.
Yeah, get in his way.
There's an
You're in coming
XRT
through
gap.
there. Here we go.
There's a
tight
hairpin here
hairpin.
somewhere.
Oh, turn.
Hey, no! Just knocked him out of the way. I think I'm gonna get his own back in a minute.
Oh, going the wrong way.
Oh,
sorry. I
Come
forgot about
on.
the track changes.
All the excuses, all the racing driver excuses are coming out. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, he backed it in. Right. Oh, yes, we're on the wheels. Keep going. On his
Keep
wheels.
going.
This is getting a grudge match now. He's putting cones in my way.
Oh, understood.
Oh,
What's that sledge doing?
on the
What do you think it
inside.
is? That was good.
My pinion's fallen off again.
Oh, just get yourself a... Bring it over here. Let's fix
Right,
it.
pause. We will fix the pinion properly this time.
So you fixed the sledge.
Sledge is fixed.
New track.
New layout.
Yep.
Ready?
Oh, wheel spin on the sub.
Oh,
I feel he got me on top speed, but it might not matter too much here.
Oh, he's knocking the cones over.
Oh, understeer. Need a bit more brakes, I think.
myself
That's
with
better.
stones.
His wheel's been on the dust. Wow.
I don't know, I've got any TSM on. This is a bit nerving around here.
Oh my God!
It's still
I stopped
going.
to watch.
There's a bit of camera footage. Don't like that over there.
Oh, oversteer. Nice
I am
lap.
flat out down there. He's sliding all over the place.
Oh my God. I know this sledge doesn't like bumps,
I've
but
got
still.
the camera.
Oh. Well, I feel I've got this one.
No,
I'll
we're
just
gonna
roll
have to
over
change
here.
track.
You what?
It's too quick over there. I can't see. You're coming down here, aren't you?
Yeah.
But I can't get close enough safely. I'm hitting this bit.
Small track adjustment for safety purposes.
Safety purposes and track preservation.
But the XRT was loving that track. I can take the, I know, I can take the bumps full on.
It wasn't those bumps. I was hitting the ones there.
Yeah.
So, right.
Okay.
We just need to be careful if one of us is a little bit ahead here, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Right, ready?
Yep.
Now, I get nervous
Got to get
being
the
next
lead,
to
otherwise
him.
I've got no chance.
Oh, on this wheel. Oh,
I was on the inside there and I thought, he's going to do well to get underneath me.
tried to go over the top.
I was quite close to the cones as well. There was no getting down the inside.
We had to try.
Yep.
Go.
Wow, carnage behind.
Oh,
What's going on?
there's
no
a lot
cones
of
left.
coneage. Here we go. Right up there now.
Nice and lucky bit there. I like it.
Not quite sure where the corner is there now. I might just tag some of those cones and those ones.
Oh, you kept me on the
Okay,
hairpin,
last
no
lap.
doubt about that.
My truck does sound a little rough. Dodgy spur gear on it. Oh, got the wrong side. He's just cruising now, I can see.
I don't think I actually touched a cone there.
I might have caught one or two. No, let's go. You ready?
Yep.
We pulled ahead again. See mine skipping about on
that's
those
neat.
bumps. Try and come the right side of the
Oh,
cone.
where's I going? Oh,
Where are you going?
I couldn't turn it, and then I tried to finish
My
turn
God,
it.
giving
and
all
couldn't
the
do that.
advantage back there.
Oh, he could be in trouble now.
Here we go. Got to be so careful around here. Just take it steady. Oh, I can see some two-wheel action.
That was neat, huh?
You've got a tendency to understeer the sledge.
Oh, maybe I've got a new technique then. Just turn more.
Right,
Let's
now
brake.
realistically, guys, if I don't crash, what did I just do? Come Get out of the way!
Oh. That was fair and square.
We're all okay, all okay. I've done it again, I've flicked it the wrong way.
Oh,
I don't know, I've got
no grip on the dust.
any what's it, not DRS, TSM. Let's have a look at that.
Complete wheel spin on the dirt.
Cut back, there we go, nice cut back. On the grass. Oh, we did get a little flip there. Oh, he came in there, nice, I could see it.
Oh,
He's flicking stones up at me coming out of that corner.
watch this wheel spin. Whoa.
There we go. I'll just stroke it home. Yeah, no, no TSM.
Is that the end?
Yeah.
Ah.
Right then. Other way round. What will happen? Yes, more than. Who's going to remember there's a hairpin up the end here? Not me. Oh, look at that. That's a... Oh, he split it in there nicely. Oh, actually. I need some more marker.
I'm over. Oh, it's very lumpy here. I was taking liberties.
There's a bump, you can't turn on the bump.
No, I think I may have tried that.
Right, I need to remember there's a hairpin at the end of the straight. Ready?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Oh. Tricky, innit? Get that right.
Oh, that's a nice line. There's not a lot of talking going on. Oh, right, last lap. Now this is pretty even, guys. We both backed it in there nicely.
Oh, that was sweet. Not very fast.
Oh, damn cones.
Oh.
Backed it in there
Hard to do
nicely.
hairpins.
He's going to nail it coming out of here. Well, that must have been a dead heat if ever I've seen it.
It was pretty close.
Difficult.
Oh.
Let's have another go then.
Yep.
Hairpin. Oh, I turned back. Oh! Get out of the way, get out of the way.
Kind of drove over him a little bit there, but what's he doing? Stop getting up me
I'm
inside.
trying to pull him out of the way. I'll let him catch up. Well, he'll catch up around here anyway. He's got the stability around there. Go on. Come on, flick it in, flick it in, flick it in, flick it in. Oh, he's gone and drifted around there.
Cover him in dirt, that's the plan. Oh, dirt hairpin.
Might have caught a
I
few
hear plastic being
cones.
crunched.
Here we go, up the straight. I think this is the last lap. I stopped for the cone. Get that corner lovely and tight. Here we go. Right, try and not...
Come on, come on.
Oh, he came through, there was so much speed.
Oh, I'm all over you. Rubbish. This is so close.
Come on then, ready?
Yep.
Ah, it's such an untidy line around that first corner. I have got the nimble bits around here. Still hit the cone. Here we go, round
Leaving
here.
cones in my way. I see them.
He's got the speed. Oh, look at that. Is there a racing line there? No. Oh, that was nice. Not even near the
Sorry
cone.
about that. Oh,
I can do that
there
as
we go, that
well.
makes it fair.
Oh, I'm going to take that. I'm going to take that.
Oh, that dust.
Oh,
can't get round
last
it.
lap. Here we
Oh,
go.
last lap.
Last lap.
Oh, he's behind.
We're both flicking it into the corners now. I've got that corner there on the grass.
Got me now.
I can get more corner speed.
I lose all, coming through here, I'm literally sideways, scrabbling away, and then you get to the grass and it hooks up and you go...
Well, we get to the end of another video, and of course we've broken it, but it's only the pinion. The pinion has only come off the Sledge, so it's only a minor thing. There was not much difference in the trucks. The Sledge was quicker when we had the tighter track. When we opened it up a bit, it suited the XRT a little bit more, but that's exactly what you'd expect. Bigger truck, it's not going to be as nimble as the smaller truck, but they're great fun. And I didn't get run over too many times, so we'll give these another bash. Really need to get another XRT to race it against, I think, don't we? But if you click on that subscribe button, you may see that soon. Mine. Oh, we both backed it in there. Yes. Time for a donut. We meant to go there. We did say we were going to miss that. But oh! Not going to bully him out of the way. Oh! Curving round here.
Oh my God!
We're all okay, all okay. Who's going to remember there's a hairpin up the end here? Not me. Oh, look at that. Oh, he flicked it in there nicely.